In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add image covers in Notion. A great cover image instantly sets the tone for your page, whether you are building a personal dashboard, a class notes hub, or a team wiki. I'll walk you through adding a cover, choosing the right source, adjusting it so it looks just right, and removing it if you change your mind later. Start by moving your mouse to the very top of your Notion page just above the page title. When you hover in that area, you'll see an Add Cover button appear. Click it and Notion will place a banner-style image across the top of your page. This gives you a quick visual identity and makes your workspace feel more organized and intentional. Now that the banner is visible, look for the Change Cover button right on that banner. Click it to open your options. You have 3 simple ways to add the perfect image. First, you can upload your own file. This is ideal for brand assets, screenshots, or custom graphics. On free plans, the upload limit is 5 megabytes, so if your file is larger, consider compressing it beforehand or exporting it as a slightly smaller JPEG or PNG. Second, you can search a massive library of stock photos directly inside Notion. Type a keyword like nature, abstract, or workspace and browse high-quality images that fit your page's vibe. It's quick. It's convenient and it keeps you focused without switching tabs. Third, you can paste a direct image link from the web. For the smoothest experience, make sure it's a direct link to an image file, typically ending in JPG or PNG. If the link isn't direct, it might not display correctly, so copying the image's actual file URL will save you time. After picking an image, fine-tune how it looks by clicking Reposition. The cover is a wide banner, so drag the image up, down, left, or right to highlight the most important part. Aim to keep your focal point near the center so it looks good across different screen sizes. Taking a moment to frame it well makes a big difference in the final look. If you ever want to start fresh or go back to a clean page, return to Change Cover and choose Remove. Your page will instantly switch back to a simple, text-only header without the banner. That's all there is to it. Add a cover, choose where it comes from, adjust the framing and remove it if needed. Thanks for watching and enjoy personalizing your Notion pages with clean,